Hello, I am Sean from Amomii, and in this video we're going to look at the 3D printables for the amomii SD. As you can see, the amomii SD slots onto your microcontroller directly like this, and the SD card slips in and out like this. But if you want to cover it up and make sure nothing is exposed, you can 3D print this case. Now you don't need this case at all, but if you've got access to a 3D printer, it's a nice little addition. It simply slides over the top like this, clips in place, and then you have a nice little case over it, and your SD card can still clip in there, no problem. And it comes off just as easy. Next up, we have this print in place case. This one is for one of the projects, which is the random word generator project. This prints like this. It just has one piece that screws on to hold the push button in place. And if you put everything together and then close it up, you now have a random word generator. You save words to the SD card. When you click this button, a random word shows up on the screen. You can see more about that in the projects video. And finally, we have the case for the weather logging project. I've left this one empty so you can see what it's like inside. This one prints flat off the bed and it comes off the bed. You can put your components inside and closes up like that. No assembly required. There are more details about these projects in the project video. Bye bye.